Title: How Refrigerator Machines Work. Description: in this animated video, we explore the fascinating inner workings of refrigerator machines. Discover the principles behind refrigeration, learn about the different components of a refrigerator, and understand the step-by-step process of how these machines keep our food fresh and cool. Join us on this educational journey into the world of refrigerators. Scene 1: Introduction. Narrator: welcome to our animated video on how refrigerator machines work. Today, we'll dive into the amazing world of refrigeration and explore the inner mechanisms of these essential appliances. Scene 2: Refrigeration Basics. Visual: an illustration of a refrigerator with arrows indicating the flow of heat. Narrator: at its core, a refrigerator operates on the principles of thermodynamics, specifically the transfer of heat. It works by removing heat from the inside of the refrigerator and expelling it to the outside, keeping our food fresh and cool. Scene 3: Components of a refrigerator. Visual: exploded view of a refrigerator, highlighting its key components. Narrator: let's take a closer look at the components that make up a refrigerator. Firstly, we have the compressor, which acts as the heart of the system. It compresses the refrigerant, a special fluid used in the cooling process. Visual: animation showing the compressor compressing the refrigerant. Narrator: as the refrigerant is compressed, it becomes hot and high pressure. Visual: animation indicating the flow of the hot refrigerant to the condenser. Narrator: the hot refrigerant then flows to the condenser, where it releases heat to the surrounding environment. Visual: animation illustrating the transfer of heat from the refrigerant to the environment. Narrator: as the refrigerant loses heat, it transforms into a cooler, high-pressure liquid. Scene 4: the evaporator. Visual: animation showing the evaporator coil inside the refrigerator. Narrator: next, the liquid refrigerant flows into the evaporator, which is located inside the refrigerator. Here, the refrigerant undergoes a phase change from liquid to gas, absorbing heat from the interior of the fridge. Visual: animation indicating the absorption of heat by the refrigerant. Narrator: as the heat is absorbed, the temperature inside the refrigerator decreases, keeping our food fresh and preventing spoilage. Scene 5: the expansion valve. Visual: animation showing the expansion valve. Narrator: the refrigerant, now in a gaseous state, passes through the expansion valve. This valve controls the flow and pressure of the refrigerant as it re-enters the compressor, starting the cycle again. Scene 6: Conclusion. Visual: animation summarizing the refrigeration cycle. Narrator: and there you have it. A simplified overview of how refrigerator machines work. From the compressor to the evaporator, each component plays a crucial role in maintaining the cool temperatures inside your fridge. Scene 7: Call to Action. Narrator: we hope you enjoyed this animated journey into the world of refrigerators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you for watching.